Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Next.js invoice PDF editor and generator that I developed directly in the browser. So with the help of this editor you will be able to generate your invoice documents for your company or your billing purposes. So this is developed entirely inside the Next.js. This is a full directory structure of the project. Each component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. If you need this source code, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. So we are using the latest version of Next, as you can see. And for building this, we are using quite a number of third-party libraries, which is jsPDF, Html2Canvas, as you can see. Now let me show you the demo of the application. Now we are running this locally here, as you can see. So once you launch the application, you can create invoices. So one such invoice I've created right here. So you can put your own logo, company logo, such as client information, such as email address. Then you have the table where you will define all the items such as quantity, price, everything. So this is the bill. You can basically export this to a PDF file by clicking the download PDF button. So this will export the invoice to a PDF document. So really easy, you can see that. So it basically constructed this PDF document for you, and you can create your own invoice document. Just fill out the information, all these necessary information. You can even upload your own logo as well. Just upload your own image, select the logo, then provide company name such as address, GSTN, phone number, email address, then the client information, client name, address, email address. We define these items as well and simply click generate invoice. So now you will see the logo is also being added right here. And this, in this easy way, you can create this invoice documents directly in the browser. It's a single page application. It directly happens, all the processing happens directly in the browser. There is no backend. It's a single page application inside Next.js. So as you can see, the logo is also exported. Here you can put your own company logo. This is the invoice which has been created. So it's a professional looking editor that I developed in Next.js. Once you get the source code, you will be able to modify the source code or add additional features on top of it as well. As you can see, all the source code is given. So I've given the link, you can directly purchase it. So this is actually coded inside TypeScript, and we are using this HTML2Canvas and jsPDF library. JSPDF is a PDF generation library, and HTML2Canvas is library used to take screenshots in JavaScript. So these are the libraries that we use for this project. And we are running it locally, as you can see. After you purchase it, you simply open the command line and then simply type npm run dev. So this will start the local development server. You can even deploy the application really easily as well. So this is the application PDF invoice generator and editor. So if you need, I have given the link, you can directly purchase it.